Now our next violation says page structure must be defined by landmarks. So it says that all rendered content must be placed inside of container elements with appropriate ARIA landmark roles. Now if we go back to our content and we scroll up to the top, we have our header here. And if we go to our reference over here and we look up header to see if we need to explicitly state its role, I'm going to scroll up to H. It says that yes, we do. So it says use banner role for the main header on a page. So we'll jump back to our code. And for header here, we're going to set the role to banner. All right, we'll scroll down and that covers everything inside of the header. And now this div that we added, I just wanted to mention that whenever you end up using a div and applying a role to it, it makes sense to investigate whether there's an actual element that might fit this role. So in this case, if we did a search for HTML main, we'd turn up a main tag. And it says that the main tag specifies the main content of the document. So instead of using a div here in our code, we could use main instead. So I'm going to type in main there, and I'm also going to scroll down to our closing div down here and change that to /main. Okay, so now our header and our main section are covered when it comes to ARIA landmarks or roles. Now the only thing left is our footer. And if we go back to our reference and we scroll up to footer, it says use content info role for the main footer on a page. So I'm going to add role equals content info. We'll save this. I'll jump back to Firefox and refresh. And now we're on to the next violation. All right, this is kind of fun, right? It's a little bit like target